History is not about knowing dates and facts, events and people. It is about knowing the stories behind the events and people. In this integrated literacy unit created for students who are reading between a 3rd and 5th grade reading level, students will get to read about a family's journey to the Northwest Territory, the struggle to stay alive, the struggle to break down stereotypes, the struggle to overcome personal strife. Danger Along the Ohio is a historical fiction book based on facts about many pioneer families' journey to settle in Ohio, which eventually led Ohio to statehood. It combines the use of lit circles, whole group instruction, picture books, primary source documents, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. This integrated unit is for a 4th grade social studies, language arts, and writing workshop class. Use of picture book literature circles. Students build background knowledge and develop vocabulary in preparation for reading the novel Danger Along the Ohio by Patricia Willis. Workshops. Primary documents will serve as mentor texts for students who will be writing historical narratives based on their knowledge gained throughout the unit. In her article, Bringing Together Fictional and Information Text by Jennifer Stolt, she advocates the thoughtful selection and use of informational and fictional picture books to build background knowledge, vocabulary, and motivation for reading the longer novel. This integrated literacy unit teaches some main concepts of Ohio's path to statehood through the use of reading and writing. Studies researchers advocate the integration of social studies with other areas of curriculum for the ultimate goal of teaching significant social studies ideas and to enrich student learning. Jer Brophy and Janet Allerman, and that social studies teachers should integrate reading and writing skills to support student learning rather than take away from the social studies content by solely focusing on reading strategies and/or writing skills. The following sample activity is one that I would use to introduce Chapter 9. In this chapter, Amos and Red Moccasin begin to communicate with one another even though they speak different languages.
One more shot at $50,000. Now, you have a 2, a 7, and a 0. Go ahead, give it a spin. You win!
Broken Penguin plus 4 meals under $4 equals what Broken Penguin? Steak burger meals and chicken fingers for under $4 each. Steak and Shake, just no equal.
In Chapter 9, the children are struggling to find food. Red Moccasin picks up on their problem and finds some food, a white root. The children stare at him with a look of confusion. He then shows them that it is food. Claire refuses to try the white lumpy root for fear that the savage may be trying to poison her. So Amos and Jonathan try the food and show Red Moccasin that they trust him.